What is up, you guys? Today, I am organizing my closet. It is really disastrous and out of control, as you can see, but something must be done. I can't live like this anymore. So I decided to clear everything out and move in a storage unit. I made some purchases on Amazon, and I just need to make the whole system of my closet work better. It just doesn't make sense. Everything is everywhere. So the first order of business was clearing this vanity off and getting it out of the corner of this closet where it's prime real estate for my clothes. I have so many clothes and they're all over the floor, and I just needed some extra room to hang them up. I was so sick of this vanity, so I finally decided that it's time to go and it's time to get rid of it. But I was really happy with what I ordered on Amazon. So we're just gonna go ahead and start putting it together. To be completely honest, I probably roughhoused the items a little bit. They were fine when I got them, but two of the doors, the magnet doors, were broken. I realized after I put everything together. But like I said, I think I just, in hindsight, would have been a little more gentle with them. But besides that, I think they worked great. They're a great size. They had wheels on the bottom so I can move them around, which I did because I didn't know where I wanted to put it. They were really easily stackable. They're really easily unstackable. You just lock them into place, and there's a little knob you can move back and forth to unlock them. You can buy as many as you want and stack as many as you want. I only got 4, and this was perfect for me. It ended up being the perfect height. I think one more would have been too many. So I just put the top on there, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and start organizing the miscellaneous things that were in the vanity and were lying around. I got these clear plastic organizers, and then along with that I also got some fabric, little bin holders or whatever that are gonna fit in the storage unit to perfection. Just put the little piece at the bottom, and then I put the rest of them together. And I also got these white shelves that I can put in the storage unit as well. Storage bins, it's not a storage unit. But to be honest, putting them together with my nails was really hard. But if I didn't have the nails, it would have been super quick and easy. I got 2 of them so I can put them inside the bins, and I can put things in the bottom and on top of it. So really, it's gonna create more space. I couldn't really decide where I wanted everything to go. There was a lot of moving things around and trial and error. I'm sure as the days and weeks go on, I will still reorganize things. Like I said, I'm trying to get the system of my closet to make sense. So I finally went in and sanitized everything. I don't know why I was putting things in there before, but then we went ahead. I got some sunglasses. I have jewelry in there. I have skincare samples that I was given, travel size makeup items, some other makeup items that I maybe don't use so frequently or that I only use in the summer, like my darker foundation, for example, or extras of things I have, like extra eyelashes, extra glue, whatever. I put my bags up there. I also put some hats in there. And then after I cleared everything out, I had to sweep, obviously. I started with the bathroom. As you can see, the drawers were pretty disastrous. So I had another box of those clear plastic organizers that I am gonna go ahead and put in there. Gotta clean everything out as I'm going. Don't forget to wash your hands if you're using bleach or whatever cleaner, in between use. I got these other plastic things that I can store some toiletries in, but I wanted to rinse them out first. So while those were drying, I could give myself some time to organize some other things. These plastic organizers really came in handy. I'm super happy with the purchase of them. And I really loved these as well. After they were dried, I put cotton balls, Q-tips, and a few other toiletries, dental floss picks in there. And then now I'm just organizing my makeup, like for everyday use. I've had this roller, this pink roller thing forever. And it's just not really working for me anymore. It's kind of irrelevant to my day-to-day. So instead, I'm gonna actually, live in this house and put my items inside the drawers. But it was just getting really messy. Luckily, I have some labels for these little items over here. It's so cute. I think they were $10 on Amazon, and it came in a pack of 6. I put a clay mask in one of them. It really was perfect. Highly recommend. So as you can see, I'm just kind of cleaning things as I go, reorganizing. I was really happy with this other little 2-tier organizer that I got from Target. I believe it was Threshold. It was so perfect. I put my toiletries on the top, and then I put creams and some perfume and face items on the bottom. What do you guys think of my drawers? I think I did a really great job. I was super happy with the plastic organizers. Leftover items in the bottom drawer. After my clothes went through the laundry, I had a lot of dirty clothes. I unboxed these hangers that I got from Amazon, and now I'm just hanging everything up. This was really my least favorite part, to be honest, but I was like, push through, girl, you can do it, you're almost done. And it really did feel nice to go through my clothes. I threw some things away that I've had forever that had holes in them. I ended up putting some things aside to donate with the fires going on. I plan on going into the city and dropping some things off. I know a lot of shelters said that they're overcrowded and they don't actually need clothes. A lot of them need some toiletry items, which we were planning on picking up as well. But there's homeless people in LA, so anytime I'm getting rid of clothes, I just go drop them off usually. They always say don't give away anything you wouldn't wear. So like I said, I did throw a lot of things away. Then I'm just storing some extra items, organizing them. Up above was really messy. I had some extra hair things from when I've got my hair braided. I have a few bags and shoe boxes up there. Well, the shoes aren't in there. I wanted to keep them. Yeah, I'm really happy with how everything turned out. There's Amadeus checking it out. Everything looks nice and cohesive. I probably would go back through and color code my closet or something. But for now, I'm just really happy that I cleared everything out. I'm so happy with how it looks. And in the bathroom, here I got some new products and finally organized everything to how I want it to be. I really feel like I'm lived in this space now. What do you guys think?